Here at Brimell Toyota, we have a Drive Shield certified 2018 Toyota Highlander XLE all-wheel drive. Here's a quick look at the exterior of the vehicle. Now let's take a look at some of the features inside. This vehicle has power mirrors, locks, and windows with automatic front windows. It's got full leather interior along with power seating. It has a sunroof up top and can comfortably seat 5 passengers. This vehicle also has steering wheel audio and Bluetooth controls. It also has a built-in navigation system. It has AM, FM, and XM radio, a CD player, USB and auxiliary ports, Bluetooth audio, a rear view camera, dual climate control, heated seating, and many more great features.